Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie. So you guys, for today's video, we're gonna be swatching, we're gonna be trying on liquid lipstick. I hope you guys watched my last video because I talked about this liquid lipstick. So this is from the brand XNO Cosmetics. I love her palette. I used it on the eyes. Watch that video so you can see how I created this look using her palette. So now in this video, I wanted to just solely dedicate one video for this liquid lipstick because there are 8 of them, so it's gonna take a minute. I didn't want the other videos to be too long, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and try all the shades for you guys, and then at the end of the video I will let you guys know how I feel about them. So please don't go anywhere. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and please do share this video if you do like it. So if you want to see all the swatches for this liquid lipstick, then just keep on watching.
Much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion. I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation. You should live for all the highs. Pushing it away. Leave behind your own deception and learn to live another day. There's a universe inside you, your galaxy of happiness. I just wanna help you find it. We'll explore in baby steps. There's a universe inside you. You've gotta give it room to breathe. So let the universe excite you, 'cause that's the way it's meant to be. There's a universe inside you. Won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes.
Wow, you guys, my lips hurts and they hate me right now. Then think about how painful it would be to try so many liquid lipstick, you know, at one time or one video anyway. So let me give you my final thoughts, you guys. Wow, the formula. Okay, I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like I know anything about formulas and how they are made, and you know how they concoct all this formulation for the liquid lipstick, but I just want to let you guys know how I feel and how they wear on my lips. Okay, so the one that I have on right now is so pretty, you guys. It's one of my favorites out of all this collection. This is Gotcha, but it is pretty drying on the lips. This is the only one that is drying on the lips. I don't know, maybe because it's, you know, it's the darkest one, or maybe it's purple, I don't know, but it is a bit drying on the lips. It's not uncomfortable drying, but compared to the 7 liquid lipstick that I tried on, this is the one that is a bit drying. Let's see. So this one right here, this is shady. I think this one is a bit liquidy than the other ones, but I mean, I'm not complaining because it glides on our lips pretty good. It glides on like a butter, so maybe that's a good thing. But this one is the one that is, you know, more liquidy than the other ones. I'm not saying I hate it or anything like that. I'm just telling you guys, you know, with all the liquid lipstick that I have right here, this is the drying one, this is the more liquidy one. So you guys, this one right here is my least favorite. This is Rio. Not because of the color, because I do love my Barbie pink, you know, here and there certain looks calls for a Barbie pink. The only thing with this one, you guys, I layered it a few times and you can still see through it. You can still see my lips, and with liquid lipstick you really don't want to over layer them because they will, you know, they will just be like gunk on your lips. So I just want to be honest with you guys, you know, the color is really good. It's just it didn't cover my lips as good as the other ones, so this is my least favorite. So you guys, you will see my reaction every time I swipe it on my lips. They are just so good, you guys. I'm really happy for you, Brandy, because you did such an amazing job with this liquid lipstick, with the palette. You did so amazing. One thing, you guys, when they dry on your lips, they dry really fast. When they dry, it is there, it doesn't move, because I was, you know, taking picture. I was like, you know, I'm doing my little video thing, and it does dry really fast, and it was so hard to get it off with just a baby wipe. But if you use a makeup remover, or if you have lipstick remover, it will come right off. But when it's on your lips, it is on your lips. So let's do like a kiss test with this one. Nothing, you guys. Her formula is so good, you guys. Please try her products. Visit her site, visit her Instagram. I will link everything that you need to know about her products, about her company. With that being said, you guys, there is a discount code that I will provide down below. And is there anything else? If I left anything out and you have questions about these products, just ask me on the comment section. I will be honest with you guys. I'm not gonna hold back on my opinion just because I might get some money off of the sales, you know. So I just want to be honest with you guys. Brandy, thank you for letting me be part of your brand. I think you are amazing. I think this is such an amazing product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you guys want to see here on my channel. Comment below which one is your favorite, and whichever one, you know, gets the most favorite out of the colors, then I will purchase that and I will give that to you guys. So just comment below which one is your favorite, and then I will check back in a week and maybe purchase the palette and do a giveaway with XNO Cosmetics with my own money, of course. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.